Hi, my name is David Cabrera, Sales Manager with Guardian Roofing, here to talk about gutter protection. Your gutters are the outdoor plumbing of your home, and when they get clogged can cause costly repairs to your roof all the way down to your foundation. You have three options when it comes into purchasing your gutter protection. You can do it yourself, semi-professional, all the way to professional product lines. For gutters to be effective, they have to do two things. They have to be able to keep all the debris out of the gutters and then let all the water in. Gutter protection has been around for over 100 years with over 500 products developed, and they only still come in two forms. One is a filter, the second is called surface tension. Let's get started by showing you the do-it-yourself products first. These are three do-it-yourself products. This is a galvanized screen product, this is a plastic screen, and this is what we call a wedge product. These products have large openings which also allow organic debris just like this to get inside and clog your gutters. This right here on the wedge will eventually clog up and stick up like a porcupine and eventually clog up, which requires the maintenance of removing the product, cleaning out your gutters, and then reinstalling the system. These are some of the semi-professional product lines. This is a fine micro mesh system with just a metal screen that does allow that water to filter through properly, but still can allow organic material to grow, stick, or even adhere to the filter. This is another style that actually sits down a little bit deeper, really a good product and effective because it still has a lot of holes, lets that water get in, but unfortunately when the debris is actually introduced, it actually acts like a trough and can actually still has to be scooped off of there when it comes down to maintenance and cleaning this product line. The good news is when you put big debris on these small micro meshes, that water can still get through to a certain extent, but can still blow off if it doesn't get a chance to stick or adhere to the product line. Here are some of our professional products that you have available to you. This is a surface tension or hood product. As you can see, definitely has a way to be able to help keep the debris out because it can't fall directly into your gutter. But unfortunately, when water rolls around, can bring the gutter debris right inside your gutter or overflow your system in heavy enough rains. This product right here is a filter product that's professional grade that has fine micro mesh system with a stainless steel filter. As you can see, the debris and the roof granules are not able to get inside the product, but what can happen is because of the system, the way it is designed, it can let water and debris filter back here, which could eventually cause problems to your roofing system in the future. When we throw debris on these products, you can see the way they're gonna go. They're gonna sit up on top here. The water might carry them around or sit on top, but it's too big for the water to carry inside your gutter. But if we introduce small debris, you can see how that water has a chance to carry and go directly inside your gutter, which is the last place we want it to go. And we put this on the micro mesh products. You can see how this has a chance to sit in here. And as it moves down, it starts to build up in these particular areas, which can cause a lot of damage if it's not maintained properly. At Guardian, we chose to team up exclusively with GutterDome to help our customers protect their home with as little maintenance as possible. Not only does this product come with a money-back, no-clog guarantee, we also put a 5-year labor warranty on our workmanship. The frame of GutterDome is made up of heavy-duty anodized aluminum that won't rust or corrode in the weather. It uses a surgical-grade stainless steel so nothing organic can stick, grow, or adhere to the filter. As you can see, nothing but water gets inside the gutter, and all this debris can sit on top and the water still has a chance to be able to flow in here properly. And as the water moves down, it actually moves the debris off of the filter. Most importantly, when it dries, the wind will help blow it off of your gutter as well. As you can see through the examples we've shown you here today, why Guardian has chosen to team up with GutterDome to exclusively offer our customers the best product on the market to help them protect their largest investment. GutterDome offers a money-back, no-clog guarantee. For more information about our product and Guardian, please call us today or visit our website.